name is John from Outback Solar. Today we're here in Grace Day, Sydney. We're installing a 10.56 kilowatt system. Let's take a look at the products we're using today. Today we're using the Trina Vertex S panels, double glass. What that basically means is it's got a glass layer on the front and a glass layer on the back, giving it more durability. So today we're installing the Sungrow 8 kilowatt hybrid inverter, which comes with a few benefits. Hybrid meaning you can connect the battery setup in the future when the prices do become more affordable. There are a few other benefits. It's four-way tracking, meaning you can place panels on 4 different aspects of the roof without compromising on efficiency. For this customer, we've decided to go with the black aluminium rail to match his darker roof and his black Trina frame panels.